Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix TikTok video playlist feature not showing. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open TikTok and then you need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner. Then you need to click on three bars in the top right and then you need to click on settings and privacy and then you need to scroll down and click on report a problem. And here you need to scroll down and click on submit a report, and here you need to mention to the TikTok team that my playlist feature is not showing, and here you can attach a screenshot as well. Okay, and then you need to click on submit. Once you've done that, then the TikTok team will contact you within 48 hours and help you resolve your issue. So this is our process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.